Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to allow AirDrop for everyone on your iPhone. By default, AirDrop only works between contacts. The person who you're airdropping needs to be in your contact list in order to airdrop any files to them and vice versa. You might be in a situation where you want to receive a photo from someone, but you don't want to add them to your contact. So let me show you how to enable this AirDrop settings for everyone on your iPhone so you can receive from anyone. On your iPhone, open up Settings. Now scroll down and tap on General, then tap on AirDrop. By default, Contact Only is selected. Select Everyone. Now this will make your iPhone discoverable in AirDrop to everyone, and you can receive from everyone and from your contact. And that is how to allow AirDrop for everyone on your iPhone. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit that like button, and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.